So these are the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and in today's video I'll show you how to enable noise cancellation or transparency mode with gestures. Now ensure you take the earbuds out of the case and you launch the Hey Melody app on your phone, or if you're using a OnePlus, simply go into settings, select Bluetooth, tap on your earbuds and select earbud functions. It should land you on this same page. Now once you're on this page, simply put your earbuds in your ear for it to activate noise cancellation. So before you put them on, these are the points where you need to make contact so that you can be able to use gestures on these particular earbuds. So the next thing to do is to check in this page, go into earbud controls and check which option basically enables noise cancellation or transparency mode. As you can see, it's touch and hold left earbud or the right earbud. So tap on that and as you can see, that's what is set. So now if we go back in there, put on my earbuds. So if I long press on either earbud, as you can see it's on noise cancellation now. If I long press, it's going to switch to transparency mode, and then if I long press again, it's going to switch to noise cancellation. Now I can also go back into the earbud controls, and for it to cycle also this option as well, I can go into earbud controls and then select touch and hold left earbud and then check this option as well. And now once I tap on done and go back, I'll now be able to switch between the three modes. So press and hold once again, it should cycle to transparency, and then once I press once again, noise cancellation. Once I press again, it should cycle to off as well for no effect at all. That's basically how to enable noise cancellation or transparency mode with gestures on your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.